Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make tags appear and disappear on your TikTok videos. So in here, I'm already on the TikTok apps, and then I'm going to just start to click on the plus icon and start recording a video here. For example, I'm going to record just like this. Can hit on the check mark, and now let's click on this A to add the tags. I'm going to just write tutorial. Here you can change the phone. You can click on done, and after that here you can click on the tags, and there will be this option to set duration. You can click on that and choose the duration for the tags to appear. Click on the check mark when you are done, and now the tags will appear and also disappear just like that. So that's how you can make tags appear and disappear on TikTok videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.